Introducing the manual tie horizontal baler from Sinobaler. Let me introduce you to some of the components that make up the manual tie horizontal baler. Starting with this. This is the PLC control panel. PLC stands for Program Logic Control. From here, the operation of the machine is at your fingertips. This is the hopper. This is where all the material sits before it's passed into the main chamber and compressed forward. Sinobaler has added some special features that make baling extremely efficient for this machine. Firstly, the main chamber door. It's huge. It allows you to easily access the inside of the hopper for maintenance or for manual loading. Next is the door closing switch. This is a very important safety feature. Basically, it tells the computer that when the door is closed, it can continue operation and compression. But if the door is open and somebody has an opportunity to possibly get injured inside that hopper, it shuts down the machine and doesn't allow operation. On the other side, you have the lower and the upper hopper sensor. The lower sensor tells the computer that there is enough material inside this hopper to compress forward and then pull back.
The upper sensor is optional and controls the conveyor if you have one connected.
At Sinobaler, all of our hydraulic systems are state-of-the-art and designed to the capacity of the machine itself. This system is equipped with an optional conveyor system. If you're interested in adding a conveyor system to your baler, just give us a call. Next up, the guide channels. This machine has 1, 2, 3, 4 guide channels, but larger chambers might require more channels. Wires that will end up strapping down the bale are passed from the left to the right side and then tied down at the end. As the ram builds material, builds that bale, the wires sit on either side and are pressed forward. When the bale is at optimal length, the computer knows to tell you that it's time to strap it, and then once you strap it, it's time to eject it. Last, but certainly not least, is the front hydraulic opening chamber door. This door can resist the force of all of that pressure brought on by the ram as it pushes the material against it. And as soon as the bale is full enough and strapped, we can lift it up and eject the bale. So there you go. Those are the components that make up the manual tie horizontal baler from Sinobaler. Now let me show you some tips and tricks on the operation of this machine.
Sinobaler Machinery, your baling solution.